Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just wanted to make a quick video on what products I use to clean my flower room in between grows. Some people have asked me what that light's for, what products are you using to spray this, so I just want to make a quick video. The two things I use here, guys, is Sanidate, which I get from Canadian Tire. I just put it in a spray bottle. But what Sanidate is, it's a hydrogen peroxide based cleaner, sterilizer, and this is what I use in the spray bottle to spray, say, all the corners down, spray the walls down. I don't spray any really equipment with this, just like the flood tray, the floor, anything that you would spray your like bleach spray with. I use this Sanidate. This stuff is really cheap at Canadian Tire, and it works extremely good. I'm a fan of the hydrogen peroxide based things too. And the next equipment based things I use is actually a UVC light, which that's what this is right here. So this is just a fluorescent UVC bulb wrapped in a quartz glass, so it's ozone free. You have to watch out with these things. You don't want any, because it is UVC, you don't want it to be visible to your skin at all. You want to make sure that this is in a ventilated area. You want to make sure that you can't see it. It's behind a closed door, right? So I use this for around 15-minute intervals for up to 2 to 3 hours. And I try to put it in each corner of the room. I suspend it above, as you can see, there's the light hanger on it. And what UVC does is it actually destroys like the pathogens, the bacteria, the viruses, and it destroys it from like a molecular DNA level. So you can't use this with plants in here. If you were to have plants growing in here and you use this, it'll screw up all of the plants. But when there's nothing in here and you're cleaning the room out for your next set, this will kill everything. All the bacteria that might be stuck in the corners, in the flood tray, in your fans, your filters, bugs, pests. If you have a little bit of a thrip problem, you can put this, turn this on inside of a tent, and it'll destroy those thrips. They're super handy, but there's lots of safety behind them. You guys got to make sure that you are using them correctly. But again, this is just a UVC light bulb that I use like every 15-minute intervals, and then Sanidate. And if I needed something a little bit stronger, I will use a bleach spray. I'm not against the bleach, but just a quick video, simple, just some information. Just wanted to kind of show it off. I don't think you can buy these anymore, actually, so I won't put any links for those. But the Sanidate you can still buy. I got this off of Amazon. I tried looking around for them, and I don't know if they're available anymore, probably because they are a little bit dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, right? But I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys have any recommendations, if you guys are using other methods of cleaning, I would love to see it in the comments. But yeah, simple, Sanidate, UVC, makes everything really easy. Oh yeah, one thing I should add too is this is my, when there's no plants in the grow room, cleaning Sanidate UVC. If I had some plants in my veg cycle, say right here, then I'll use some labs. I'll spray labs lactobacillic acid on the plants, which is helps with PM, helps with spider mites, helps with some other pest controls, and it also it's just a good beneficial bacteria for plants, humans, animals, and everything. But that's just some information, guys. That's kind of how I sterilize my rooms. Thank you for watching. Peace, love, and cheers.